In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email group in Pipedrive. We're going to walk through how to send a group or mass email directly from your Pipedrive account using the contacts you already have stored there. This is really useful when you want to send the same message to a set of people at once, like a quick update, a follow-up campaign, or an announcement, without having to copy and paste the same email over and over. First, open Pipedrive and head to your Contacts section. At the top or on the side of your screen, you'll see an icon or menu item labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click that, and then choose People. This view shows you all the individual contacts you have saved in your account, along with their email addresses and any other details you've stored. Now it's time to choose who you want to email. You have two main options here. You can manually check the boxes next to specific contacts, or you can use a filter to select a predefined group. If you're only emailing a handful of people, simply scroll through your list and tick the checkbox next to each person you want to include. If you already have a segment created, like all leads in a certain stage or all contacts from a particular region, it's usually faster to apply a filter. Once the filter is applied, Pipedrive will automatically show only the contacts that match that criteria, and you can quickly select them all. After your contacts are selected, look toward the top of the page for the option that says Send Group Email. Click that button. This will open up the Email Composer window where you can build the actual message you want to send. Inside the Composer, you can either choose one of your existing email templates or write a new message from scratch. Templates are helpful if you send similar emails often, such as weekly updates or standardized introductions, because they save time and help keep your communication consistent. If you're writing a new email, take a moment to add a clear subject line and personalize the content where it makes sense, using merge fields if you have them set up, so each recipient still feels like they're getting a tailored message. Once you're happy with your email, give it one final review to check for typos, links, and overall clarity. When everything looks good, click Send. Pipedrive will then deliver that email individually to each of the selected contacts as part of your group email.